Here's how to label AI generated content on TikTok. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your TikTok app. After logging into your TikTok account, now click on the plus icon at the bottom menu. After tapping onto this plus icon, now tap on the upload option to upload the video from your mobile's gallery. Moving on to the next step, now you have to select the video and then tap on the next option. Then here again tap on the next. Now click on the more options. After that, from this list you will be able to view the option of AI generated content. You have to enable this option if your generated video is from AI. When you turn on this feature, then it will show a label on your video of AI generated content. So that's how to label AI generated content on TikTok.